Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Leo. How are you today?
Hi, Mia. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I was thinking about fashion and the new trends these days. There are so many changes in style, and I love to discuss them with friends. Do you follow current fashion trends?
Yes, I do. I like to keep up with the latest trends and try new styles. I often check fashion magazines and social media to see what is popular.
That's interesting. I also look at online articles and Instagram for inspiration. I noticed that many people are wearing bright colors and simple designs these days.
I agree. I have seen many posts about minimalist styles and bold accessories. Some people like wearing plain clothes with one statement piece, like a colorful scarf or a unique watch.
Yes, I love that idea. I sometimes wear a simple dress with a bright necklace. It makes the outfit look modern and fresh.
I like that style too. I prefer simple outfits with one or two interesting elements. For example, I often wear a plain t-shirt and jeans, but then I add a cool jacket or a hat.
That sounds great. I think current trends are about keeping things simple and comfortable while adding a little twist.
Exactly. I also noticed that sustainable fashion is becoming popular. Many brands now focus on eco-friendly materials and ethical production.
Yes, I have seen that. I like to support shops that use organic cotton and recycled fabrics. It is important for me to choose clothes that are good for the environment.
I feel the same way. I recently bought a pair of jeans made from recycled materials from a local store. They are comfortable and look very stylish.
That is a good idea, Leo. I have been looking for sustainable brands too. Do you have any favorite stores where you buy your clothes?
I like to shop at Green Threads, a store that specializes in eco-friendly clothing. Their designs are simple and modern. I also check online shops like EcoWare for some trendy pieces.
I've heard of Green Threads. I usually shop at Urban Chic for modern and affordable clothes. They have a nice collection of dresses, tops, and accessories.
Urban Chic sounds interesting. I might check it out. I enjoy visiting both physical stores and online shops because I can see the quality of the materials.
Yes, shopping in a physical store is great because you can try on the clothes and feel the fabric. But online shopping is very convenient, especially when you have a busy schedule.
That is true. I sometimes browse online for deals. I compare prices and read reviews before I buy. I always look for clear photos and detailed descriptions of the products.
I do that too. Sometimes I even watch unboxing videos on YouTube to see the actual quality of the clothes. It helps me decide if a product is worth buying.
Unboxing videos are very useful. They show you the color, texture, and fit of the clothing. I often trust those videos more than just photos on a website.
I completely agree. By the way, what do you think about the trend of wearing vintage or retro clothes?
I like that trend very much. Vintage clothes have a unique style and are often very comfortable. I have a friend who loves shopping at thrift stores, and he always finds amazing pieces.
That's wonderful. I sometimes mix vintage pieces with modern items to create my own style. It makes my outfits look unique.
Creating a personal style is very important. I try to choose items that represent who I am. I like simple designs and soft colors, but sometimes I add one bold piece to make my outfit stand out.
That is a great idea. I believe that fashion is a form of self-expression. It shows our personality and our mood.
Yes, and it also changes with time. For example, this year I have noticed more people wearing comfortable shoes, like sneakers, instead of formal shoes. It seems that comfort is becoming a big part of fashion.
I have seen that too. Many designers now focus on creating stylish yet comfortable clothing. I like wearing sneakers and casual outfits because I can move around easily.
Absolutely. And I think many young people prefer casual wear because it is more relaxed and practical for daily life.
Speaking of daily life, do you think that fashion trends are influenced by our lifestyle?
Yes, I believe so. When people have busy lives, they prefer simple and comfortable clothes. When there is a focus on health and fitness, sportswear and athleisure become popular.
That makes sense. I also notice that many people now wear smart casual clothes even at work. It is a mix of comfort and style.
Exactly. It is interesting how fashion trends change with our needs and technology. For example, with the rise of social media, many people share their outfits online, which influences others.
Social media is a big driver of fashion trends. I follow many fashion influencers who show me new ideas and styles. They often post simple outfits that are easy to copy.
Yes, and sometimes they also review products and tell you where to buy them. I find those posts very helpful when I want to update my wardrobe.
I agree. It is also fun to see how different people style similar items in different ways. It shows that there is no one right way to dress.
That is true. Fashion is very personal, and each person can have their own style. I think it is important to choose clothes that make you feel good and confident.
Absolutely, Leo. When I wear something I love, I feel more positive and ready to face the day. I try to choose colors and styles that match my personality.
That is a good habit. I also like to experiment with my style. Sometimes I try a new color or a different type of jacket just to see how it looks.
Experimenting is fun. I remember trying a bold red coat last winter. At first, I was unsure, but many friends told me it looked great on me.
That is a great example. Sometimes a change in style can boost your confidence.
Yes, and even if you make a mistake, it is part of the learning process. Fashion is not just about following trends. It is about finding what works for you.
I completely agree, Mia. I think it is important to be true to yourself when choosing your clothes.
By the way, do you have any favorite fashion brands or designers?
I like several brands. I often wear clothes from Urban Trend and Eco Style. They have simple, comfortable designs. I also like to buy some vintage pieces from local boutiques.
I love local boutiques too. They usually have unique items that you can't find in big chain stores. I also like the brand Chic Comfort because their clothes are both stylish and comfortable.
That sounds interesting. I might check out Chic Comfort online. I always look for new brands that match my style.
Yes, exploring new brands is part of the fun of fashion. I often follow fashion blogs and Instagram pages to learn about new trends and collections.
Social media really helps with that. I see many new ideas on Instagram, especially in the OOTD, Outfit of the Day posts.
OOTD posts are very inspiring. They show how different pieces can be combined to create a unique look. I try to get ideas from them for my own outfits.
I do that too. I think it is important to update your wardrobe from time to time and try something new.
I agree. It keeps life interesting. I always feel excited when I buy a new item that fits my style perfectly.
And sometimes a simple accessory can change your whole look. I love adding a stylish hat or a cool pair of sunglasses to my outfit.
Yes, accessories are very important. I often wear a nice scarf or a bracelet to complete my look.
Fashion is really a form of art. It lets us express our creativity every day.
Absolutely, Leo. I think fashion trends help us reflect our current mood and lifestyle. They change over time, just like our lives.
I believe that keeping up with fashion trends is not about following every change, but about finding the trends that suit you.
Exactly. It is important to choose styles that make you feel comfortable and confident rather than trying to copy every new trend.
Well said, Mia. I feel that our conversation today has given me many new ideas for my wardrobe and style.
I'm glad to hear that, Leo. It was very enjoyable to talk about fashion and share our thoughts.
Thank you, Mia. I always enjoy our discussions. I look forward to discovering more about fashion trends and maybe even going shopping together sometime soon.
That sounds like a great idea. We can visit some local boutiques and see the new collections.
I'd love that. Let's keep in touch and plan a shopping trip in the near future.
Sure, Leo. I will send you a message soon, and we can decide on a day that works for both of us.
Great. I'm excited about the idea. Thank you for this wonderful conversation, Mia.
Thank you, Leo. I enjoyed our chat and learning about your fashion ideas. Have a wonderful day and enjoy expressing your style.
You too, Mia. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, Leo.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.